What are the different kinds of car jacks? If you are a teenager just starting to drive or own a car, knowing how to lift your vehicle safely is essential. Understanding the different kinds of car jacks can make changing a tire or performing maintenance much easier. Let's break down the main types of car jacks you might encounter. First up is the scissor jack. This is the most common type found in many cars, especially in emergency tire changing kits. It works by turning a screw that expands the arms, lifting the car. Scissor jacks are lightweight and compact, making them easy to store in your trunk. They usually lift cars weighing around 1.5 to 2 tons, which is sufficient for most smaller vehicles. However, they do lift the car more slowly and are best for emergency situations. Next, we have the hydraulic floor jack. This type uses hydraulic pressure to lift the car smoothly and with less effort. It has a wide base with wheels and a long handle for pumping. Hydraulic floor jacks can lift heavier vehicles and raise them higher than scissor jacks, making them ideal for garage repairs or do-it-yourself projects. However, they are heavier and bulkier, so they are not the best choice for roadside emergencies. Then there is the bottle jack. Shaped like a bottle, this hydraulic jack has a vertical cylinder. It can lift heavier loads and higher than a floor jack but has a higher minimum height. This means it may not fit under cars with low clearance. Bottle jacks are compact and affordable, making them good for garages or as a backup jack. You will need to pump a handle to raise the vehicle. Finally, we have the farm jack, also known as a high-lift jack. These are manual jacks designed for off-road or high-clearance vehicles like trucks or sport utility vehicles. They are versatile and can be used to lift vehicles stuck in mud or rough terrain, as well as for changing tires. However, they are larger and less common for everyday cars. For teenagers learning to change a tire, the scissor jack is usually the one you will find in your car. It is the safest and easiest to use for emergencies. Always remember to operate it correctly and use it on a flat, stable surface. If you plan to do more car maintenance or have a larger vehicle, learning about hydraulic floor or bottle jacks can be helpful. And always remember to use jack stands for safety if you plan to work under the car after lifting it.